Good morning, 4th day of July, 2024. Mag-model muna ako ngayon, okay? With this, my audience. Wala pang nagbigay ng mga mga name. This one is, sino ba to? Pooh. Yan lang alam ko dyan si Pooh. Nanay has three names for this one. I don't know which is which. Okay. Please help me give friends to them. Okay. I'm here now because I'm going to take a bath na turuan na tuluan ako ng rain. Hindi naman malaki, malakas. Ano lang, mga ambon-ambon, wisik-wisik lang. But our rains now is not very good already. So I have to take a bath. Aray, nakalimutan ko na naman. Naset na po yung aking gagamiting water. It's medyo warm water. Malamig na siguro ngayon. But I just like to share this one. This is a black. Oh, this is charcoal soap. I met one like this, but this I think this is not similar to that, but it's a charcoal soap also from Thailand. This one is not. I don't know where this came from. Bawal yata mag-advertisement, but hindi ko pa alam masyado siya yung product niya. But I like this charcoal soap. Nagamit ko sa face, sa body. I like it. Kasi because of the, charcoal attributes, I'll give it on another reel, not now. Forget ko na naman eh. Okay. Ay, kalamito orang 68 years old. Okay. That's it now for today. Today, I'll be taking a bath. Hindi na kayo pwedeng sumama. Bawal. Okay. See you after my bath. Good. Bye-bye. Sweet, 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 sweet. Not dreams. Hindi pa matutulog, ha? Kagigising ko pala. Okay. Bye-bye.